Okay, backstory. So, someone was being an ears to me the other day, pero hindi ko siya pinatulan. Sorry, natawa ako kasi di ko alam baka maban kapag sinabi ko out loud. I don't care. Sabi niya, maybe she was negging. So, I searched what negging is. It says parang dinidiminish mo yung confidence ng isang tao because you wanted to flirt with that person. I honestly felt at some point na may ganong factor. She was telling me na, alam mo, gwapo ka eh, pero ang liit mo, ang pangit, ang liit mo, ganon. Don't get me wrong, I choose to be a nice person, but I'm not a nice person. I'm not completely 100%ly a nice person. I know myself, dati, kung ano yung ginawa mo sa akin, ibabalik ko sa'yo times 2, times 3. Bait ka sa akin, times 2, bait ako sa'yo. But if you're times 2, times 3 rin balik sa'yo. In the past few days talaga, I have been overthinking a lot. To a point na, ano oras na ba ngayon, midnight na, nagta-TikTok pa rin ako because nasa isip ko lang siya. Dapat hindi nga ako naapektuhan doon. But like, simple things like this, napapa-overthink ako. At the same time, parang na-frustrate ako because it takes so much courage for you to admit na you're not okay, you need help, ganyan. And then, things like this would happen. I don't want you guys to hate. And that's why I'm not dropping the name also. Kahit meron naman akong picture dito sa phone ko kasi nag-selfie siya dito sa phone ko. Sabi niya, let's take a selfie on your phone. Okay. Oh my God, lumalabas na yung ano ko, sungay ko. Chill. Ngayon lang kasi nagsisink-ing, I feel like. Kaya, ngayon ako sorry. Ituring nyo na lang na nagrarant ako sa inyo, guys. Pero, I don't want my TikToks to be toxic. Toxics, ang dami. I don't want my TikToks to be toxic also. But yeah, I'm just letting you guys know how kindness can go a long way. It sounds so cliche, but just be kind.